We'll guide you through how to link cards in Trello. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the board that contains the cards you want to link. Click on the card that you want to use as the primary or source card. When the card detail view opens, look for the option labeled Attach on the right-hand side. Clicking this will present you with several options. Choose the Trello option from the list. Next, you'll see a search bar pop up. Here, you can search for the title of the card you want to link to. As you type, Trello will display matching cards from your boards. Select the card you want to link from the list of suggestions. Once selected, the card will be attached as a link in the Attachments section of your primary card. You'll see that the linked card appears as a clickable link, which allows you to quickly navigate between the two cards. This is especially useful for managing tasks that are related or dependent on each other. If you want to remove the link later, you can do so by clicking the Remove button next to the linked card in the attachments. Linking cards helps you keep related tasks organized and easily accessible, streamlining your workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.